Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on page 129 of your student journal, 129. And our objective today says, today I will use base 10 blocks, which we've been using. Remember, our base 10 blocks are our 10 rods and our 1 units. So we're going to use base 10 blocks to compare two-digit numbers, and we've been talking about what those are, using greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. Ooh, friends, here's our new part today. So we've been using our base 10 blocks, and we've been using two-digit numbers with our greater than and less than symbols, but now we're having a new symbol called equal to. So let's look at our vocabulary. Okay, so here were the two symbols we've been using, greater than and less than. And remember, when we think of those symbols, we think of our alligator's going to grab the bigger one. His mouth is going to open and grab it. Okay, but here is our new symbol, equal to. Equal to means they're the same. They have the same value. So let's look at this example that they put down here for us. So they drew a 1 rod, and they drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. That number is 15. Here they drew a 1 rod, and they drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones also, and that number is 15. So if I went to compare this number, look what I would do, friends. I would circle the 10s, and I would say, oh, they're the same. The alligator's not going to grab one of them because they're both exactly the same. So then I would go look at my ones, and I'd say there's 5 ones there and there's 5 ones there. They're still the same. That means we need to use the equal symbol. Okay, so that means we need to use this equal symbol. Okay, so just like when we did this before, what do we always do? We are going to check the tens first. We're always going to check the tens first. So just like we've been doing is we need to check our tens before we check our ones. And then we only need to check the ones if the tens are the same. Okay, so I'm going to get started with this. If you want to put your pencil down and watch me for a moment. Here is my first problem. And it says, build and compare the numbers 46 and 64. Place the correct symbol in the box to make the number sentence true. Okay, so I'm going to build it first using my base 10 blocks. This tells me I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this tells me I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's build this one. I have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so friends, when I go to check them, I always check the, I hope you all said tens first, tens first. So here I have 4 tens, and here I have 6 tens. So if I'm the hungry alligator, which one am I going to grab? The 4 tens or the 6 tens? I'm going to grab the 6 tens. So there's his open mouth grabbing it. This is called a less than symbol because it kind of looks like an L. So we have 46 is less than 64. Okay, here is my next one. This one says, build and compare the numbers 73 and 73. Place the correct symbol in the box to make the number sentence true. Okay, ready? So I'm going to build it first using my base 10 blocks. I have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay, over here I have 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. Okay, when I check them, I always check the tens first. Ready? So over here, I have 7 tens, and over here, I have 7 tens. Let's think about this. If I'm the hungry alligator, which one am I gonna get? This one has 7 and this one has 7. Does that help me? No. They're both the same. So when they're both the same, I need to go look at the ones. So let's look at the ones here. This one has 1, 2, 3 ones, and this one has 1, 2, 3 ones. Does that help me? No, those are the same too. So if they're both the same, that's when I use my equal sign, which tells me they have the same value. No one is greater than and no one is less than. They're both the same. Okay, friends, let's try some together. We are on page 131. If you can turn to page 131, here is our first problem. It says, build and compare the numbers 59 and 59. Place the correct symbol in the box to make the number sentence true. Okay, so they want us to build first. This one has 5 tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this one has 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so when we go to compare, we always compare our tens first. Ready? So on this side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And on this side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So that doesn't help me. They're exactly the same. So if I'm the hungry alligator, I don't know which one to eat. So I have to look at my ones now. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. And this one has 9 ones. So again, they're the same. So if everything's the same, that's when I use my equal sign. Okay, let's do one last one together, boys and girls. This says, build and compare the numbers 82 and 28. Place the correct symbol in the box to make the number sentence true. Okay, so this one has 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I almost ran out of room. That's a lot. And it has 2 ones. 1, 2. Okay, this one has 2 tens. And it has 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, when I compare, I always compare my tens first. So over here I have 8 and here I have 2. So if I'm a hungry alligator, which one am I going to eat? Definitely the 8, right? Definitely the 8. That's which one I'm going to grab. This is called a greater than sign. So my number sentence says 82 is greater than 28. Okay, friends, you have some to try on your own today and have a good day. Bye-bye.